충청북도 청주 대청호 호반에 있는 따뜻한 남쪽의 청와대로 불리우는 청남대를 여행하며 대통령 기념관 앞에 있는 음악 분수를 들어온 영상으로 담았습니다.
Empty spaces, trying to find the words to say this. I am tired of stages telling me that I'll be better when I'm not. I'm here, I know we used to have it all. No, I'm not, I'm here, wish I could have broke this fall. I need you now. I don't care how. I would do anything. I need to talk to you somehow. I need you now. Empty faces, people don't know what to say to me. They're honest answers, but they can't feel the crushing weight of I don't know. I know I'm here and I can't change the past. And I want so bad to heal, but I keep coming back. I need you now. I don't care how. I would do anything. I need to talk to you somehow. I need you now. What if I could have saved you? If only I had been a little stronger. What if's in the way of what I wanna say? What if I could have stayed with you? If only time could have stretched a little longer. What if's in the way of what I wanna say? I need you now.
여러분, 봄 여행으로 청남대 대통령 기념관 앞에 있는 음악 분수에서 음악에 맞춰 분수가 춤을 추고 있는 것을 즐겨보시면 어떨런지요?